Alright, I'm putting the new digitizer in. This came with a sticker. I took it off. I also took off the protective layer of the glass. Taking off the other protective layer, and it looks beautiful. So let's put this in there. I'm going to insert this in through that little hole right there. Actually, I'm doing this all wrong. It does not go like this. It goes like this. So, here we go again. This goes in through that hole right there. And it gets pressed down. I notice the edges are not as stuck on as the old one was. This one's kind of like, if I hold it upside down, it will fall. Oh, well, it has some stick, that's good. Still a little worried. Okay. Now, this little napkin, I'm going to make sure the OLED or AMOLED screen is not dusty. No dust allowed. And that just goes right on top. Looking better already. Look at that. It looks better already. I'm so thrilled. Okay, let's continue. Alright, small break.